Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pizza Hut app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and order pizza. How do you actually go ahead and use the Pizza Hut app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Pizza Hut app. Now I recommend creating a login so that you could actually see your order history, but on the top hand corner where it says delivery, this is where you're going to choose between carryout and delivery. Click on delivery and then go ahead and add your address. And then once you enter your address, this is when you can start adding pizzas to your cart. So we're going to go ahead and click on pizza and you can see all the different pizzas. I like clicking on deals and let's go ahead and click on the big New York starter and then click on add to cart. Now, once you add a pizza to your cart, click on the cart on the bottom right hand corner. You can schedule this to be for delivered later, or you can change your address. You could add the number of pizzas, and you can even enter a promo code, then click on checkout. You can set delivery instructions, and on this page, you just want to make sure that your delivery address is correct, make sure that your contact info is correct, and then underneath payment methods, just make sure that you enter your payment method, and then click on place order. Now, don't forget to leave a tip as well, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Pizza Hut app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.